Welcome. You understand? Long time I not see me now, guys, but we there same way. You understand? We put in the work. So you see that movie, make sure so before you start watching, click the subscribe button. Zine, click the share button, click the like button. You understand? Comment, please. Before you watch it, comment and say, yo, yes, we have a comment, and then when the movie done, we comment again. Don't comment during the movie. When the movie done, you sit down and say, boy, yeah. You understand? We have a little surprise at the end of it too. So when you reach the surprise, make sure you say on a comment. Watch the movie. Say you're going to have everything.
Yeah, man.
It takes so long, brother. You know long, man. What just wait.
Remember, say we have to run from police, you know.
Okay, man, you know, say, yo. Right, I'm youth, them hungry too, you know, man.
What do you think I want, son, you have?
Him hungry. Brother, just give me what you give me, no, man. You hold up my time, brother. Man, I have things to do, you know, man.
All right, what is?
What is? What is it? What is it? Give me. What is?
I want those US that.
So, brother, 1,000 US no kill people, you know, man. Me no kill people for 1,000 US no more than that, you know, brother. Don't tell her that, you know. Make sure you do something better on this, brother.
All right, since you're hungry, see 3 bills here. Yo, take it or leave it. I enough money that. You know what me have to do? Brother, just go and humble yourself, man, and stop going, so.
Brother.
Yo, no go on, sir. Don't make it thing look, sir.
I'm telling you, boy, Andre, feel like I say, man, thing shake around here. I'm telling you, give me this. Oh, boy. I'm telling you. Hold that too.
Yo, bro, I'm in a class this morning. But I mean, like that all the man and them, that teacher. When do you? Man, nice, you know? Nice, you know, but not for me. So why you not like your teacher for? She not teach me good things. What do you mean by that? You know what she said today? What? She asked me more when we grow up. Now, I'm going to be more entrepreneur when we grow up. Where you going to be? Well, I won't let my father. Serious? You go follow in your father's footsteps? Uh-huh. If you do that, I can't go follow you. I thought I know you follow me. So you gonna be when you grow up? That's more to be like my father, brother. No, if I never did like father, that's why you'd be. Good man. Seriously? Yes. Maria, those cookies are dirty. Because I have to wash my own clothes them. Serious? Your father know what them feel? Stop chat with my father. Chat about fear when I work. Oh, look, my father wash my khaki. Look, that's your father. So when you want to become when you grow up? Father, so me no feel no gunman, cause you know no police lock me up and me go dead. And me go there in a jail. He said me fi go be one doctor. So you want to be one doctor then? So can you go play ball then?
Yeah, I'm glad to see you, Keisha.
Evelyn.
Talk loud, man.
Evelyn, man.
You to say good evening, I can't tell him say good evening.
So me not acknowledge him, Richie, where you want. What?
All right, Ellen, stand up down with me. I'll talk to you. Mother here. Keisha. No, man, nobody look like that. Me not really come for quarrel or nothing. Keisha, listen me, I say. All me come for say, we live in the same community. We don't live too far. And at no time, at no point in time, you can't even spend even one like a weekend with the youth or nothing. Just to make sure say you know you.
Richie, what make you pressure me? No, explain to me. What me ever do to you? Me. When we were together, me tell us that me no want a youth, me not ready for no picnic. Are you know? And I gave you the child. So what the issue?
Keisha.
You tell us that me I go sit down with no picnic?
But Keisha no like say boy, I no like say me I beg you if you give me money if you help with the youth or nothing. All me I say just to make you know you. That's all me I ask her.
What me do to you? More than one time, I say stop come at me yard about this youth thing. Me never tell us that me want to be a mother. You know me never ready to be a mother. You wanted to get me pregnant. And you do it, you know? This wasn't no mistake. You do it, me bring the picnic give you. Right? So why the problem now? What is it?
All me I say just to make you even know you, make you know say boy at least you love him.
No, me fear the and then what? Because me not have time for sit down with no picnic, you know. Me not have no time for sit down with no picnic.
Why Keisha? Me don't know why you so bitter still, you know.
Oh, me bitter. Me not bitter. Me never tell us that me want to do this. Me can't come parent today and pop up on me yard every day. See ALM here or me come to ALM and have time.
Yo, me no say in a shop. Eh? You're a bad man, eh? Session no want you. Lift up the man.
Everything good, Keisha. Everything good.
Yo, Rena, come down, my girl. I want to you. I want the magnum and the tree long love them, you know, man.
Daddy, you no love me.
Because she's because she go through a whole heap of things. But she soon love you, man. Know yourself. But no, just know some me love you, here.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Today I just chat to man. Remember, say me dey on CD watch listen and a 3-day Mario they run there and me no go on there.
But that have nothing to do with me. You know have nothing to do with me, you know.
Yeah, nothing to do.
But the longer you're there, so I thought to me could have gone a shop already.
Yo, go on there, man. Correct now. 3D, you know. Hurry up.
Yo, teacher tell me say you follow company at school, you know. You hear me I try to tell you something, you know, send a school to keep friend, you know. I send a school to learn. What me say?
I send me go to school for learn.
Alright. Last time I'll take 2 bananas and pay for them tomorrow, you know.
Only banana.
Only banana, alright. Oh, listen. I'm saying I want you keep nobody company at school.
Alright.
Walk up, man, because you're late. You send a school for learn. Come right here so you cross the road. Just look up and look up the road and down the road. Alright, boss. And when I say don't keep no company, focus on learning. What me say?
No keep no confidence in him.
Talk up me now, what you say?
Some keep no focus for learning.
Alright. Hurry up, just not come, hurry up, cross the road. Alright, later in the bossy.
Better. Home not your school foreign. Well, my father sitting now. My school. Your father, can you listen up? Just about fear what parents. My father send me to school and get education. If you want to send me to school, it don't really matter. Yeah, forward me to school and so no, I go to school. Brother, when you can't go to school, you can't go and go to business and go on. Look at my boy. You like a so young.
Mario,
Yo!
come here. Yo, go on. This is for your lunch money for your week, you know.
No school not keep.
I mean, so no school and keep.
Teacher them say water gone for 2 days now. So we have to stay home until water come back.
So then teacher they then go on like them brighter than anybody else, you know. But everything good, so but just go on while on point you can go on. Isn't me?
Right.
So you're good?
Mm-hmm.
Here you are. Don't worry yourself, you know, man. So when I reach a age, me and about touch road, you know. You understand? Me and touch road. Just go and do your do that there and get something for eat. Zin?
Yeah.
Food in the house. You're man, you know, man. You understand? As I'm saying, I met no little boy at school feel like he can't say, you know. Not take no program. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Do the right thing. Just go on in the house and something. So come. Zin?
Alright.
Just go and run off the place.
Hey, my brother, what going?
How a breeze blow down?
No, see. I want staff function. I must say merchandising me doing now.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a little staff function. May attend down here to the side here. But I know say here so you normally stay, you know. So that's why I say that I walk come up here so before me head back home. But that's something I really come to talk to you about.
What that? Who trouble you?
Nobody not trouble me. Nobody not to trouble me, you know.
You make sure you know.
God, easy man. Me know how you stay, you know. You know, nothing like that. The other day, me a pass up here, right? But me couldn't stop because the vehicle me did that. And I see somebody like Mario, so me I wonder. And it was school hour at the time, so me I wonder why Mario never did at school if it was Mario.
Yeah.
Mario go to school?
He go to school anytime, I don't know, anytime he feel like I say he want to go to school, he go to school, you know.
What do you mean by when him feel like him go to school?
Oh, I'm telling you, I go like I say, I don't know how we grow. You know, say how we grow ourselves.
Is the same way you plan to make your picnic and grow? I don't understand what you're trying to say to me right now.
A boy picnic that them and he have to grow rough.
Yeah, he can grow rough, but at the same time, he can go to school, right?
What school I do for him?
What you mean with school? You know how
Well,
much...
that he can read and he can write, right?
You know, say you're reason like a very unintelligent man. I mean, I like your way of reasoning. We know say I straight see what we grew up in, I know.
But at the same time, you can't make your youth come in the same situation, in the same dirty lifestyle where we grew up in.
How does that come to me about?
Listen, I'm a nephew. You understand? It's my nephew and I have to have him best interest at heart. It's your son and you. I said that. So what you left me if you say no?
Watch out, man. Just I'm gonna go to school, man. I'll make sure I go to school tomorrow.
Honestly, I never know for him, but there's somebody looking just like Mario.
He ain't not going to school today, man. He probably down there so with his friend them down the road.
No, man. Mario just pen. You can't have the youth just leg up on road then with it.
So I'm for do. I can't have him around us, so. I can't have him around me.
I just 10-year-old pitney. Are you supposed to control your pitney? Yeah, allow the streets to raise your child?
It seems like you forgot where you come from.
No, I haven't. But the thing is, you know, so whenever you get the education is what? A change in your behavior. Once you get educated certain ways, your behavior will change.
An educated slave, you call that, man. I'm
What do you
telling
mean
you.
educated slave? So me making my money means that I'm an educated slave?
You see me? You see everybody around us, so have to give me money.
So you're an extortionist.
Extortion. Me a security.
So you secure the whole neighborhood?
See, I feel like I say no government to protect the people around us. And me I protect the people around us.
You know, I think me I go run now, you know, cause obviously what me I say now make no sense to you.
So I'm thinking they come now and come and tell me, say, come say you win a lotto and you give me a big money and you come tell me. I'm telling you, man. Well, I love you too, you know, man. If I want boy this year, you call me and you see me.
Listen, I don't know what their lifestyle there. I mean, now go back this, so you know, say my head not right already. I'm done with the badness, you understand?
Yeah, man. Cause
Listen, you need to take up your youth in hand and stop let go your picnic on the road. Anyways, may I come go back at the function? It must almost soon over now.
so you want me to do? You want me to send him come here? Eh?
You know why you just let go your picnic on me? Frank, you not go on good, but me have to go back at the function now, so later.
Do you do, man?
You're there on bike, you can't drop me out the road. That far me where I come from, you know.
You so I'm guessing to you know it's a bike here right now.
So yeah, protect the neighborhood and you don't have gas in a $1,000 for gas for bike, you know.
Yeah, put some gas in there.
No man, it's alright. So you protect the whole neighborhood and you know $1,000 for buy gas put in for your bike.
Just like how you do, you say you do merchandising and you can't even make a link.
My money have to pay my rent and take care of my bills there.
So you can't make a link and make a call and make a run in for them place and
You know, so you need to break out of that criminal mentality that you have though.
so how you think we're something?
You're going dead bad if you continue.
Yeah, better you go on to you, man, because you can't talk about dead, you know, you have no negative argument.
Yeah, go dead
man,
bad.
just go on where you go to you, man.
Take care of yourself and stay out of trouble anyways later.
But you know, man, I'm sure something, because you feel like I say, you know, you see this protect.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah? This protect.
Frank, me warn you, you know? Me warn you. Stay out of trouble and I same road and Maria head down.
Nobody wash your mouth for Mario, and I'm telling you that to him.
Wash my mouth and that go happen anyways.
Nobody wash your mouth for him.
Just to make police catch you, because I not bail you. I not bail money either.
Thing good, man. We know if you live a road and we know if you live a jail. You hear that? Tell her that.
I agree. Then, bro. You know no money. No? Bro, that from money. Me not eat. No, me not eat. I'm belly.
Food on your yard, you know, in the fridge.
But me not pay for good on this right now. How easy me I pay for good right now.
You have money?
No.
So how you go get money?
Take me to take up some things. I go on easy myself.
You can't do that. My father said me not feel out of yard.
Bad man, and everything my father say no, if you follow him, you know. I'm my virgin brother, trust me. We all go up there, we all take up some things and come back down.
You know, I get myself in no trouble, you know.
Bad man, you know, I get no trouble with me and there, so brother. Then by night, 2 hours kill, you know.
You're not scared. I said to my father,
And everything where your father tell you if you follow, brother. I'm not a virgin. Follow me, say. Yo, forward, brother. Watch out. Not if you bug. Forward. So, bro, where you at from Fit Leaf? So, I don't know. And that, you what if do you know? So, where you going now? You are going to distract him, man. You are going to distract him. Yeah, I'm going to distract him, man. I'm going to take up the 200 orange juice then. Alright. Wow. Sir. You have no egg.
Oh, egg is right there.
You can get some different egg, like different kind of egg.
There's no other eggs but the one that are in the fridge. What is it you want?
Like the other egg shell.
There are no other eggs but what is there. Okay?
You ready?
Hold on there, young man. You did not come in here with any bag. What's in the bag? Give me the bag. What is your name?
My name.
Do you know that I know your father? I know your father. What is in the bag? What is this? What is this? You're in trouble, young man. You are definitely in trouble. No. You stay right here. You're not going anywhere. Stand right there. I will be having a word with your father regarding this situation. You know that you have stolen this, right? And I should be talking with your father regarding this situation. What is the meaning of this? Huh? What is the meaning of this? You're in trouble, young man. Come with me. Go up there. Stay right here. Do not move. Stay right here, okay?
Oh, go on, Mr. Joseph.
How are you, Mr. Ichi? You know, I mean, meaning to come and see you. It's about your son. Did you know he came here and stole some things from my good fridge? He and that, I don't know what to call that boy. I believe it's Frank's son.
You sure it's my son?
Yes. I know him. He's ever with that boy, Frank. Ever with that boy. Yes.
So, hold on. So you take things them, I try to steal them.
Actually, I had to stop him and ask him to stay in here. Took 2 orange juice out of the backpack they had. And by the time I went to return it, he just slipped out through.
Well, I'm sorry about that, you know, Mr. Joseph. I know I know some grew him. I know some grew him.
I know. Remember, I've known you for many years. Boy, it's unfortunate.
All right, I apologize.
That would be $200.
You know, so I left my wallet.
That's okay. You can pay me later.
All right, I deal with it tomorrow.
No problem.
All right, so Mr. Joseph again, I'm sorry about that. Because right now, it's me go up and kill me or kill him with lick, you know.
Listen, just talk with him. Just have a very serious talk with him. Okay?
All right. Thank you again. All right.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy your day.
Yes, Daddy.
Come here, man. Come here.
Come.
Come on, Jessa. I want to talk to you. Come on, Jessa. Sit down right there, sir. Where you go today?
No, Daddy.
You not going nowhere today?
No.
Hey, let me know what you tell me no lie now. You not go to a Joseph shop today?
No.
You see, me not like liar, you know. Me don't like liar. Mr. Joseph tell me say, you come down there with Frank thieving boy and I try thief things on my store. Me not growing on criminal, you know. Me not growing on thief. Me not have food in the fridge. Answer me, you have mouth.
Yes, Daddy.
Me have food in the fridge. So when me left there, me say, anything you want in the fridge, it was in the fridge. You left all the way with the little thieving boy, gone down so. A prison you want to go, or a thief you want done?
No, Daddy.
Listen. Anything you want, you ask me for it. Right?
All right.
Ask me for it. And when me say don't left yard, me simply mean say don't left yard.
All right.
See there, you know. Your mother not too care about you, you know. From when me ask her, say, yo, for even just keep you for a few days, or sitting, she has said, boy, she have things to do and places to go. So listen, me don't want to have to talk to you again. Do not make me see you keep that little boy company.
Yes, Daddy.
All right?
Yes, Daddy.
You bed for a morning?
No.
All right, go on my house and go bed right now.
Yo, my boss, go and eat a peanut butter and bread, man. I don't know a thing set enough. You understand? Do the right thing. Make sure, say, you understand? I know I can run off the corner just like me, you know. Outside, my general. Bless up. Yo, Mario. Where you come from?
I come from the road.
I'm not here, you know.
I come from the road.
Down the road?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, Auntie can link me this morning and tell me, saying, see you up on the road. Listen to me, man. Just stay off the road too much. You see me? Nobody do they out too much, especially in a school time, because if the government will come, I mean, them will come to, you know. And I don't tell her, say, I don't want no police in my yard, brother. I tell her that from no. So anything you do, you do it discreetly. Right, sir? I don't want no police come in my yard. That I tell her. Because you say some police boy violate and kill all them other two, you know. That's why I don't like police, you know. Because some boy from around the lane, they say they diss me, you know. I'm going to go over there, go beat some shot over there, you know. And some police, yo, should even know, man. When we escape, shoot up a car, and your mother dead. We end up escaping in nearby bushes. Yeah, so that's a bit of like police. Mario, I tell you. If a police, if me have a police boy, I'll certain way, man, me wrench me gun in your face. That me tell you, sir. That's what I tell you. You know, you just have to be vigilant. You understand? Stay out of trouble now, but I will keep a friend thing. You understand? You're thinking by yourself because a friend sell out friend. You understand? What my name?
Frank Snatcher.
All right. Anytime you run a say, go anyway. You're free for run up on the run, sir. But my work can't come with my work. Yeah, you hear me,
Eh, no, so I'm going to Jersey shop today. I go buy some money run me out.
What do you mean you run out? Run out for?
I don't know. You just run me out.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'll pay Joseph a visit. And so when I pay Joseph this a visit, he won't know say next time when you see you not running out, you anything at all you come in so far that I'm charge you. Anytime, what I say? Anytime I show Joseph this a visitor. Sure you know. Yo, as me I say, it's a thing me I deal with now, you know. So you're good. Just go on in and go on up and go bathe and change your clothes and so. And stay off the road. When at night time, nobody there out there, you know, because out there so grimy at night time. You hear me say?
All right.
Yo, shop boy. You tell her this. You see him? You see anytime I see him come around here, so, and he want nothing in here, so, you give him. You hear me tell her? You don't know my name. You know me, right? You have, yo. You see when I see him? Anything at all he want in a dish shop, you make sure you say you give him, you know, like give him a hard chat, you know. You don't know who me be? Eh? Let me make dark cloud far around this. Okay, I see me youth come and shop and I tell him boy I don't want him come in your shop. Yeah? That's easy. You can't just... Yo, I'm telling this in the old boy. You see this? If yo, know what you do here? Know what you do. You can't see man pitting and come around here and come feel like you can violate.
Did he tell you what he did?
He man tell me say you don't want him, he come around here and you tell him say no for come back around here. If you tell him man that, eh? I look at you, if you want some feed and come in your shop to come buy, what you feel like I say?
That's not correct. He actually came here and tried to steal.
Liar! You can lie. You never take no from the shop. Stop the life on me.
Yo, I'm telling you this. Nobody make me have to come back around and say again, you know, old boy. Cause you feel like I say you can diss my youth. You know what me be? Me burn down this place here, you know.
This is the way you're actually raising your child? If this is the way, its end will not be good.
So you try to say. Me not grow my child good. And that you try to say.
Not
Close pan him back and make him. Everything when I want and me buy them game. What you try to say?
if this is the way you are raising your child, you will not have a prosperous ending.
The best thing, you know, the best thing we do is we call left from yourself. Because of broad daylight, you know, and do something, you know, old boy. And you can't tell me about my youth, you know. I'm tell her that, you know. Just know, so next time I see him, I violate him, you know. You hear me, I tell her? Oh, yo, come on. Cause, yo, I shot my fire on this, you know. I'm burning down this, you know, if I feel like an old boy, I want to tell you. Big Batty Julie.
I'm sorry for that child. Wow. This present day generation.
All right, so here we go on now, boss.
Mm.
Me I go to work. See money with the pan the dresser? I feel for go to school. And me left breakfast on the stove. So eat, tie out the goat them before you go, and bathe and go on to school.
Yes,
When me-
Daddy.
All right? And you see yard, when you come back from school, when you sweep up the yard. And listen to me I tell you, say, me no want when you come home from school, nobody have to tell me, say they see you nowhere with Frank, dirty boy.
Yes, Daddy.
Me no want you keeping company, what me just say.
So, I'm going to keep in company with Frank, little boy.
All right, so here we go on now. Go in and make sure you comb your head and clean your shoes.
Right.
So do what me say and everything all right.
Yes, Daddy.
Me love you, you hear that?
Yes, love you too.
All right, so go on in and do what you have to do. And later.
Later.
All right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell him. Yo. Why pray?
No.
Yeah, for the river.
No, me I go to school.
Boy. Where you go to school for?
Me I go learn.
School of foolish.
What is it?
School of foolish. Up a river where you go?
No, go no river.
Who says so?
My father, so me not for power with you.
Who care about your father? Father, we go to river right now.
Me I go to school.
Brother, you move like a sissy. You girl, brother. Father, we go to river.
Me not go nowhere.
You girl or boy?
Boy.
So boy pick me move. Boy pick me move like a boy. Girl move like a girl. Father, brother, we go to river.
Me not go. So deaf.
You can't tell me for the brother. Me and your road, brother. Father, brother, up a river, we go. Mommy.
No
Give
go nowhere.
me 2 reasons I can go.
Me have to go to school. And me have to learn. That are 2 reasons.
Put 2 more pan.
And me have to get education. You know, get no education
Yeah,
at school,
joke.
you know. Your
Come
father
here.
not teach you nothing good.
Alright, if you don't want to come, I tell all them boys them up at school, say, you're a girl, you move like a girl.
Come on.
Come here now. Yo, bro. Today I best day, no, because school, you know. My father not really this about me, you know. Because if I go to school, you know, I think I'm not really bad. How about you?
You're not going to get in trouble.
What?
You think you're going to get in trouble?
Why you not getting no trouble, boy? Only girls get in trouble. Sometimes boys get in trouble.
What are you doing here? You should be in school, you know.
What make you in a shop? Or sell your customers then.
I shall be informing your parents about this.
It's not gonna make no difference if you tell your parents.
Young man, I will not tolerate that type
Go
of
back to
talking.
your shop, please and thank you. Why are you not at your shop?
I shall be telling your parents about this.
It's not gonna make no difference if you tell your parents.
I will not tolerate that kind of attitude.
If I go to your shop and go sell your customers, please. Sell your customers. Customers, bye! Yo! Oh, kaya ko ako sin. Kami kaya ba dahil nabigyan?
Send me something I shop, Joseph.
Come here. I need to tell you something. On my way here to open the shop, I saw your son at the river today. Should he be in school?
Why, Mr. Joseph? Now, cure me try hard. After this morning, me I left go work, me tell the little boy, say, if he just ready and go on to school, you know. And I really river and left and gone. Yo, you see, anytime I go home, me have to deal with him, man, because me continuously talk to him and look like talking, nah help. And the little you know, say I'm alone. Now look how hard, man, I feel out there work, and this him do to me. Ah, God, no, you don't even understand, you know. I swear to God, you wouldn't even understand, man. But thank you for your look out for me, youth still, because we need more people like you in our community to look out for you, them, you know.
I couldn't agree with you more. As a concerned parent, you know, because it takes a village to raise a child.
Right. All right, yo, I don't even think about everyone in our shop again, you know. I just so good and just deal with him. So thank you again, all right?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, man, that good. Because God know me, I try hard. Thank you still, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
All right. Where you come from?
No way.
No, where you not come from? You lose your manners, you don't know what to say when you see me. What you have to say?
Even daddy.
Evening, daddy. Let me ask you a question. Me ask you a while ago where you come from. You going to tell me, say, no way. How come you wake up? Me tell you, say, when you come home from school, you have to sweep up your yard and left your yard. But obviously, say, you don't go to school because me hear from Mr. Joseph, say, from morning, you're there, river. And me tell you, say, yo, stop keep from dirty picnic company. I know, you're not hear what me I say. A man you done for me. Listen, man, tell to talk to you, you know. Go and pop Mr. Tick come me deal with you. Go on. what is a car come give me? This look like a piece of tick for beat you. Go and get something bigger. Go and get something bigger. Give me, you fi here. You fi here, 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 you fi here. Get in. Damn little boy, yo, cho. Me can't bother you know.
Yo, Mario, really? They pull up on myself. Mario, I can't screech up on myself, you know. I have to know better than that. Suppose me did fire one out time. Where I come from? It's so wet up.
Yeah, I come from river.
River? It's a river there all day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, hero. Come on fire road, you know. Let's go and lock off the place. You understand? I'm gonna change your clothes, man. I might not catch a cold. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
I'm gonna wash your hair.
You know what's already?
Alright. So what you do?
Getting hungry now.
You hungry? Yo. Just run and shop around us and buy a couple of things. And make sure so they give you back a change, you know. Then, and look, I must come home tonight.
Which one to go?
I'm growing a Simone, yeah. Then, you see, if the other one asks me there, you don't see me. Then, who?
Which one? Yeah.
Which one? Yeah. Any one of them come back over and ask them. This time, I'm going to be. Zane? I make mine lock up your house and anybody knock, don't let them in. Zane? Come say, don't let them in, nobody. Come in, I must forward the internet, I go in our yard. Zane? Hurry up and come off our road. And next time I sneak up someone. I don't know any man around us so grimy, you know, as a ants move with dead.
Yo, I'm not say for him. You know, say. My father say, you know, if you keep your company, your bad company, you and your father a good man. Who tell you so? My father. My father no good man, brother. The other day, when I did go river, and when I come back, my father beat me. You laugh, I know funny. Don't funny. I look at the cat once over, bro. Look here, my father have a gun. So me never, when I ask you if your father a good man, you say your father no good man. Me never want to know that. Brother, you're a liar tell. Your father no good man. Brother, me not tell no lie. A liar tell. You see me have smirk on my face. Come on, me show you. Me can't prove you what is a father now. You sure say you want to see? Mm-hmm. All right, turn on. Cynthia. Call my father from this. Yeah, but brother, you afraid? You afraid I? Come see it. No, brother, you can't hold it. You're not hold it. My father could say not hold it. Cynthia, brother, you can't hold it. Please answer, please.
Hello?
Daddy, accidentally took up a gun and shoot ALM.
What? Which part?
Right over your farm.
Mario, stay ready, me soon come.
Alright. ALM, wake up, brother, wake up.
Yo, you alright?
Mm-hmm.
Get up. Yo, come on.
So you can lift him there, so Daddy?
Come on, man, home to you, get home to you. Yo, come on. Yo, come get some clothes. Go up your auntie, cause yo, we can't make it, yo. How tell us you gonna do this, so?
Did you see your foot in there?
Mr. Joseph, give me a minute.
Oh, what's up with you? What can I do for you now?
Yeah.
You look worried.
You know see my son?
No, I have not seen him. What's wrong?
You know, so from evening, from me come home, I walk, I look for him. I don't know when there. Boy, me just go upset, and Frank dirty son up and down with, you know. I swear. Come me talk to him over and over. Until me don't know what more to do. God know.
I'm sorry to know. I'm so sorry to know.
Alright, so you see if you see him, just tell him something I look for him and send him down for me, please.
No problem.
Alright. Mr. Joseph, me don't know what more to do. Me try smooth with that little boy there and he just come like he kill you and kill me or something.
Gucci, I've known you for a very long time, and I know that you've always worked hard to put food on this boy's table, and to know that you're being so frustrated.
All right, Mr. Joseph. If you see him, just send him down for me, please.
I wish you all the best.
All right, yeah, man.
Take it easy.
Yo, listen, move here.
Yeah, move here.
Wait, listen, yes, sir, driver.
Yeah, man, yes, sir.
Keisha.
Nobody, no. I hears me and if you know you have no right for you come here, do.
Keisha, the sound some man. And I beg me, I beg you nothing, you know. Just take 1 minute and just listen to me, I say. Keisha, me send ALM go shop. How long and he no come back? Me I wonder what could have happened to him. Me even go down at Mr. Joseph shop to ask me if he see him. So that me there ask to say, if you see him.
You know, have him loose everywhere. Ain't wine with a day me hard. Me I feed him.
Hey, Keisha, just listen to me, you know. All me ask to say, if you see him. And if he lose, yeah, I'm mad, you could have just send him go yard or play the role and like. But I'm not talking me now quarrel about that right now. That me really have focus, man. Keisha, I don't quarrel, me a quarrel. All me a simple ask to say, if you just see him.
Me pass him on the road with Frank, boy.
You pass him with Frank? And me tell him to don't keep Frank's son company, you know.
Obviously, I have your pitney and he not listen to you because he not live with me. Why he would have listen to me?
All right, that good. Me just want to know, say, me find him. That good, all right.
You know, because this.
Yo, when me see him, man, kill me, you know. Come you know, man, me don't tell him to tap keep that dirty pitney in the company about him gone over in yard. The man have to walk up and down like an idiot, I look fiend. Jesus Christ! Help me come! Jesus Christ, man! Help me come! Oh God, man! Oh God, I'm sorry! Jesus Christ! I'm sorry! Oh God! Never. Yeah, bossy. So, we look on the crime scene. I found a spent shell, a single spent shell around here. So I'm assuming it was one shot that was fired. I walked through the house. It's a bit ransacked. You see your house? No, officer. I feel Virgin when they saying son and my son did move over here, Frank house. Oh, okay. So Frank and his son, where are they? Have you seen them? No, officer, I just come see my son lay down on this dead. So I feel say either Frank or his son killed my son. So you and Frank have anything? No, officer, me and Frank have. The only thing me did complain about say my son keep Frank son company and I don't want him keeping company. Me and Frank don't have nothing. But everybody in the community knows that Frank a bad man and he having gun and thing. So this is a known fact that Frank is a gunman? I'm not going to say I'm a gunman, no bossy, but people say things, you know. Boy, it's very sad. It's very sad, but we're going to do a proper investigation. So we're going to need a statement from him. So I don't know if it's possible that he could come down to the station right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know it's a hard time for you right now, but the sooner we can get things rolling, the better, you know? And move forward. But first of all, we need to find Frank and his son. So, all right, officer, do that, man. Just try to find him and figure out what happened, officer. Right now, God know. Right now, I don't even know what me I gotta do. And take a little time and just settle a little bit. And then you can come down to the station. All right, officer, all right. Yeah, man. And if you see Frank or his son, you just give me a call personally. All right. All right? All right, good. If your auntie over there still know, but don't tell her nothing, Zane. Don't tell her what you do, you know. You hear me say? Don't tell her nothing. John!
What's going on?
Yeah, me I say. Me can't too tired, you know, but you are going, you can't keep him for me.
So hold on, I know school time now.
No man, it's school day and say some flu go around, so they send him home for 1 or 2 weeks, couple days.
All of 2 weeks. So you get sick leave from doctor?
We still get that man, but yeah, me I say, me kinda depend on a little hurry, you know.
Make sure say I don't know ganja you the kept on boat, you know, you hear about the youth from Westmoreland where they kill.
All news that man, we no business with that man. But yeah, me I say, just hold on for him for me. Zane?
I mean nephew, me not have a choice. Come in Mario. So, you know, if I have money for me can buy a little food.
So sis, you can't feed, I'll never feel little time in there.
Me not even have no money, you know, so me not get paid until the next 2 weeks.
Well, me carry money come give them, man. Me make you get the money for it, man.
Make sure you come back, you know, because I know your style.
Just do the right thing. Mario, just
So
remember...
come here, go so you're not tired.
No, man, me can't stay, man. Mario, just remember, say, remember me tell you here.
Yeah.
What you know? Everything good, you know. I just say you go here. Love it, here.
What am I missing here? I don't understand.
A good man, no, a good man. Yeah, man, so just go and hold on for him until me come back, man. We make her get the money for him. See?
You want 5 grand, you can't live.
Sis, just on, man. I trade even know, man. I hurry, come up here, you know. See that?
What kind of big emergency? It's alright.
Just don't worry about it, man. Just don't worry yourself. You understand? Just keep him inside or something.
Alright then.
Hey, Mario. Just remember what I tell you, yeah?
Say talk to your father, boy. You hungry? No shake your that me. Hold on. Awesome. Mario, let me pull up this here. Mario,
Yes, auntie.
I don't understand this. Come here. What you do on the news?
No.
What you mean you don't know? This I say you and your father personal interest in one shooting down in Westmoreland. What happened here, so?
No, auntie.
I know your name Mario Brown.
Yes, auntie.
What you do on the news?
No, auntie.
Don't lie to me, Pitney.
No lie, auntie.
What you mean by you don't know what me talk about, yes, so? See there? Them all get a picture. You and your father. So you mean to say you're following your father dirty footstep them? I can't take up gun before time? Are you police? Are you a soldier? Why not do it gun?
No, auntie.
Open up your mouth and talk to me, boy.
Auntie, I know.
Hey, I will knock out your teeth, them, you know? You know, let me talk to your father. Let me call this man, yeah. Can't come here and left your palm me and, you know, explain none of this to me. A problem you don't want to come put me in, hey, no police now come haul and pull me in here, you know? I call. Come back out here. What up it here? Stand up right this one. Hello? No, yo, sis, me, no? So if me never go for news, me would realize, say, you want for your pitney shoot somebody at Westmoreland. I know you can't let off your pitney down your palm if the police come haul and pull me. I can't even hear. What you say?
Just warm to you.
What you mean warm to me? It's like you not understand the gravity of the situation. You...
Hear me, no? Just go and hold on for him, man, until let me start this out.
No mix me up, you know. Listen, me no want no problem with the police, you know. Come for your pitney today, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I even like. That's why I'm not too like big people, not, you know, man. I'm to you, man. Yo, I'm fully done, no girl. I'm to you,
but you...
come. Yo, as a matter of fact, don't deal back with me there, no, man.
Remember, say your pitney still there, me place. Come for your picking for me, call the police.
You know, yo, yeah. Fair name is sister.
Oh, so now you're threatening me. You think say you're your bad man friend them can't do me nothing. Remember say my link stall too, you know. Remember that, you know.
I'm come for my picking.
Come for your picking it, because I will call the police. Come off of my phone. You come mix up on yourself and then you know I come mix up me too. Come like a few people now catch her today, you know. And better come for you.
Yo, I'm to you, sis. I'm to you.
Nobody come here so with the bad man vibe to me, you know. I know say my head not good either.
So you can't move, sir. You move like I say you want to sell out your family for police. I'm to you.
So, I saw you plan to grow your pitney. By the way, where you get gun from?
You know the thing set, man. We have enough gun about the place, man, and a pitney them and he take up one of them and he don't know what to do. A mistake and a
You
purpose.
don't say, me feel like me go adapt the pitney from you because you don't know how to raise your own pitney. You're not even having knee sense if you can't talk to me as a little sister, make me know how to handle the situation. You just can't let off your pitney. Suppose when me look, me see police come. Me don't know if you tell police because I don't know the situation.
Yo, sorry about that, man. But you don't know a thing such an sis. You know a thing such a man. When I out there go and work and I make money. You know.
How will you get them in US from?
Just the thing said me on a fool.
Me warn you about them bad business that we are mixed up in, you know.
Yo, Hero. Sorry for the inconvenience, man, and the troubles we cause. Hero, just get some things and something.
Me need the money, you know, but me can't take it because me know say some bandolo business, you know. But the best advice me can give you as a bigger brother, report to yourself, bring you on yourself to the police.
You must say you're not learn nothing, you know. You're not to learn, you know. What do you mean bringing yourself to police? Right now,
you don't understand that what you guys did is wrong.
A mistake.
Mistake, that is why you're going to bring yourself to the cops.
Hear me, I say.
You can't afford to have your little 10-year-old pitney pan run like this. What kind of lifestyle this?
Hear me, I say. Upon the boat, we are start out for going now.
Boat? What you mean by boat? So you plan for run when I left Jamaica?
So you want to do? Get locked up? Eh? Tia, my legacy that, you know. You feel like I said, me make no boy come this make my youth. Eh?
You're not set no good example for your pitney.
Yo, Mario, go for your things, them, Kako.
Mario?
Yo, don't listen to
really...
Go for your things, them, Kako, man, and listen to that woman, man.
Listen.
You can't look up no
Me don't want to hear, say, me never dead all because of you look, female look this papa, you know.
Just me.
Mario, please, do not follow into your father.
Just remember, say, you run him out, you know.
Me not run him out. All me I say, you should have tell me the situation.
If nothing happened to you, nobody call me. You hear? Well, good. You can't take me so.
You're
good,
not
man.
setting no good example.
You're good, man. Yo, come on.
God help them.
On the way boat, man, there, you know. Hey, sit down, Mario. Mario, I'm disappointed, Mario. Oh, if you carry a friend come in your yard, come show him where you gone there. Eh? Disappointed, brother. No, look. You don't want the money, man, I figure around there now. Left. You want the people who owe me money. Yo, wait, so just line up your boat there. I'm so forward. I'm talking to him. Just gas up your boat. How much money I have to go spend you know, for go away. Mario. God no, Mario, man. I'm disappointed, man. I'm not telling a lie. I left, man. Should I left you too, you know?
What daddy are you really want to be like?
You want to be like me, Mario?
Yes.
You think some life nice, Mario? Huh? You think say out in the street? Why you think some not bring you on the road with me?
So where you find money to buy gun then?
How me find money? Hard work, sweat and tears, Mario. Enough boy me have to bust up their face.
So you try to say that can protect me too?
Run.
No! Daddy! Jesus, let me see. You!
I am Detective Barnett of Savlamar, and today we caught up with Frank the Snatcher, right? We are here on the crime scene currently where a shootout took place with him. based on intelligence that I received from a confidential informant. He was here getting ready to leave on one of these boats, heading to Haiti. But thankfully, we're just in time. He's now passed and gone. The community can breathe a sigh of relief. I personally can breathe a sigh of relief, right? And we are pleased, and I'm happy to say that the gentleman that lost his son as a result of this dangerous individual, this menace to society, right? That was known for extortion, robbery, murder. Community was involved with it. But today I can say justice has been served, and I was the one to serve it.
Go ahead. Reggie. Oh, baby. Reggie. Oh. Reggie. Reggie, I'm my son.
Keisha, stop. Stop, Keisha, stop.
My son, Reggie, I'm my son.
Nobody, Keisha, nobody not there for you to try to impress, I that me I try to tell you, nobody not there for you to impress, Keisha. Keisha, stop. Take a minute to listen to me, I say. Listen to me, I say, Keisha. More you think long and hard, how much time me come and me plea and me beg you say, yo, just be a part of youth life. Play a role in life and you don't care about him. But now when you hear saying dead and me there start trying to pick up the pieces, you are ball and come carry on. You bother with the Keisha. You bother with it. All me have to tell you say, now that we youth pass and gone, me don't have no ties. We don't have nothing. So me can see her, me cannot know you. And everything.
I can't get one more chance today, Richie. I can't do this. I'm sorry.
All chance is gone, Keisha, and I make no sense of ball.
Richie, no.
Keisha, come out of my yard. Come out of my yard.
You're not telling me nothing when I
Me no want. You will hear. You will out to the streets. You will hear.
Please.
Keisha, me no want to push out of my yard. No, come out of my yard. I beg you, please. Go on.
Mr. Richie, it pains my heart to be doing this, giving you rum to drink. I don't think I'm doing you justice. I've known you for so long. It really, really hurts me deep down.
Sir Joseph, you don't know what me I got through, You don't understand, man. It's the only thing right now where really calm me down, man. And keep me from doing something I don't want to do,
Mr. Richie, I hope for you it's the last amount of rum I will be taking to you. This is not the answer for what you're going through. I want you to be strong. I've known you for a very long time. And I know, in spite of what you're going through, you are a very strong person.
Yo, at least then catch Frank and kill him, Because right now, if I didn't know all him, man, yo, should do even know, man. Should do even know.
My friend, do not store vengeance in your heart. It will not help you, only make you be more angered. You just need to be strong in all of this. That is what is going to push you to overcome all of this. And as for me, I think that you have it in you to overcome.
Right, give thanks, son. Give thanks. What the fuck, man? I have to drink anymore, man. Yeah, that's me.
That's a good start. Just be strong, my brother.
All right.
Just be strong.
Mario, I am so sorry things had to turn out like this because you're really too young to be in this type of facility. I am just so sorry that I did not take the necessary actions as your aunt because I saw the road that your father was taking you down. I should have really stand up with you. I should not allow you to go back with your father that day when he come for you. But you're already there here, right? So you just have to serve your time. And whenever you come out here, I will be here for you. Alright? Me know say right now you should not even be at school. Good? But now we're here so you end up. It is what it is. And I'm just so sorry things turn out like this. So, Mario, you met any friends here?
No, auntie.
No.
Can't come home.
No, Mario, you can't come home. Whenever you do bad things, you have to face the consequences. That's just how the world works.
But auntie, bigger boy, they might just beat me up.
Them a beat you up?
Yes.
Well, there's nothing I can do right now. That's how you made your bed and that's how you have to lie in it. But I'll try to talk to the warden. I don't know if he can do anything about that. But all I can tell you is that just don't come here with the badness. Because those boys, they will definitely beat you here. Alright? So you have food, you have roll-on, you have those things.
No, auntie, bigger boy, they might take them from
Them are thief. Oh my God. You see? That's why you shouldn't follow your father's footsteps, you know. And on that day, when he was leaving with you, I should not allow him to leave with you. Because look at it now. I just feel so guilty for everything. Your mother not here, no, your father did as well. But never mind. Just serve your time. And after you finish, I will be here for you 100%. All right, Papa?
Yes, auntie.
I have to go to work.
No, auntie, don't leave me, please.
Mario, I can't stay here with you forever.
Auntie, don't leave me, please, auntie. No, no, no.
You see, this is why I talk to you and your father, you know.
No, auntie.
I have to go, baby. I have to
No,
go.
auntie, no, no, no.
Lord of mercy. You see where Frank put me now?
No, no, auntie.
Never mind. Your time soon done, man.
I got one foot in the sunbeam. I got one foot in the grave. I got one foot in the sunbeam. One foot in the grave. Got an angel on my shoulder. I got a devil up my sleeve. I got blue skies out my window.
No, get myself in no trouble here. Bad man, you know, I'm in no trouble with me there, so brother. And by night, you always kill me. You're not scared. I listen to my father.
Blue skies out my window. City in my bones. All these bright lights and shadows, and all these worker bees and clones. Ooh, city in my bones. things are meant to master. Some things we'll never know.
Yo, Frank. You want to put him one side?
I know what they mean.
Wait, Ladabag. Go feel Ladabag in the house.
Alright, so you done watch a movie? Big up on yourself. Tell one to think about it, you understand? You see the hard work we are put in, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, ALTON Garden Originals. You see the hard work, so please, thank you guys. Because of Uni, you know, man, the motivation and everything, you know, everything come from Uni, you understand? So make sure, say, you continue to share the video, continue to subscribe, continue to, you understand? Do the right thing. We're outside and we're inside and we are do the work, you understand? Time. Big up on yourself, people. One love, heart of love, big up on yourself, you understand?
Okay, you know, pieces about the picture with dead, brother. We are worried about you.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
What you doing? Ready now, David?
Yo, you the pointy boy yesterday, man. How happened? You really make your man take away something from you. What you know my father? You're lucky. Yo, there's something for sure, yeah. Next time you want to do it again, you can just do it the easy way more than hard way. Remember that ball? Yes. What? One. Who fight? Mine. My father had tell. You have to go and boy. Father had tell. You not tell no lie boy. Show me then.
Hold this up. Pull it through, man. You don't make me see it, man. Don't move from the white shot, because I go on.
Yeah, I'm willing for Willie.
Hey.
What am I tell you? Say no.
Make him take it, make him hold on for him like him and pull it. And yeah, pull it back. Don't back. Stay in the same position. Right now, Alton?
Yeah, I want to see it, element.
No, stay same place. Don't move, don't back. Come forward, come forward back.
Alright.
No, yes, sir. Come on, same thing, sir. Come on. Yeah.
Come back, element. Come back. Yeah.
Drop back. Right now. Right.
They walk back in. Me, I go walk in. While his head still on.
Wait, come on. Come on.
Hmm?
Come on.
Oh,
Come on. Hey, come forward. Listen.
that's all.
Yeah, that's it. So when you was on Facebook,
Ready now?
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so walk in, man.
Keep your head down. Stop, eat, or drink. Right now?
Ready? Action.
Heads up, eye open. Watch this. Real thing. We're gonna use funny boy and anyhow they don't want to do anything then. Full of win. Who say win? Me are the provy. See bullet them boy. You see any head shot? He target me head.
Wait. Let's go shoot him,
Never shooting for you.
Why you do that, so? They want to see you. You get a whole lot of it. They don't say you want to see you. You don't want a whole lot of it. You understand? Hey, what permission? Wait. Go ahead. What are the sort of
Right now.
Ready? Listen to the camera.
Tell him to yo, take it down a little bit. It come like you don't know we are chatting, brother. Yo, just take it down a little bit. Hey, labor right, boy. Call me Andrew. Hey, boy, Andrew. I'm saying, make me go wash up my face. Yeah, tonight. Yo!
Oh, God, no. Love. Yeah, I'm gonna tell Andrew for us.
I just have a look for food like you sweet. Don't want one. Say that again. Say that again.
No, we don't have to pull out good,
Say that again.
Very good.
Say that again.
I have to report in the pull out good for me. See a shot good for me.
So, I'm that I'm missing, and I just want you to help me find her. Please, man, nigga.
You don't reach 24 hours yet.
You have to wait 24 hours before you can.
That's the law.
Think me no know someone want kill me. Think me no know. But me nah me couldn't kill me.
Susie, I've most with herself, and when she tell me, say me, I tell you, you know. She say, I play, she a play. And nobody never in her room.
She never look right. She look like she a mad old.
You know, so if I other day everybody want to come go on like I said, they want to style me.
What is your daughter name?
Susie Guthrie.
Susie Guthrie?
Yes.
Who's Susie?
She not so good enough.
The girl I'm missing the daughter, you say?
I'm a daughter.
No, at first me I see her.
Please, me a beg you. You see, anyway you see her, just call the number here at the police station and inform them say you see her and tell them where you see her. Please, me a beg you, because me got me one daughter and me can't find her.
Alright, don't worry, man. Everything good, alright, mommy? Yeah, man, sorry about that.
You have reached the voicemail.
Yeah, I didn't see over QQ bar.
You see her over QQ?
Yes.
What kind of clothes you see her in?
You know
Short pants, skirt.
Yes.
No problem. Myself, 4 cookie for her.
Yeah.
How long that? Go.
3 days ago.
3 days ago?
Yeah.
Alright.